All right, listen to this. If you're stuck choosing between Brevo, Mailchimp, and Klaviyo for your email marketing, guess what? I have tested all three email marketing platforms, and in this video, I'm going to break down the differences and show you why Brevo might just be the best tool for beginners and pros. So let's get into it. Alright guys, so welcome back to Coach Territory, and in this video I'm going to be breaking down three email marketing tools so you don't have to. And now if you're launching a business, you're trying to build an email list, or basically you're running campaigns for clients, this comparison would save you hours of research. And most importantly, I'm making this video all thanks to a subscriber of mine, Joy Okwe, who requested this video. Thank you so much, Joy, for requesting this video. So in today's video, guys, we are going to be looking at Mailchimp, Klaviyo, and Brevo, which is my favorite. Now I'm going to be starting off with the ease of use, okay, because each and every of the platform you're trying to use for email marketing should be so easy to make use of. Now talking about Mailchimp, of course Mailchimp looks slick, but if you look at the user interface, okay, it can be overwhelming for beginners. And why am I saying so? There are just too many options scattered around. You can see a lot of options here and there, and if you're not careful, you might actually get to miss each and every of the options that you're finding right here on Mailchimp. Look at Klaviyo. Now Klaviyo is powerful, but trust me, Klaviyo was made primarily for e-commerce purposes. So if you're not trying to do e-commerce, okay, I do think Klaviyo should be the best for you. And if you're new, all right, it might be so easy for you to feel lost. Powerful tool, but basically it was built for e-commerce, guys. Now looking at Brevo, a clean user interface, simple drag and drop builder, guided with setup flows, and most importantly, guys, beginner friendly and doesn't even sacrifice flexibility. So all of those things you're seeing right here on Brevo shows you how very important, okay, they can be when you're starting out with email marketing. Brevo understands all of these things, so they try as much as possible to make sure that they have a clean user interface, something that many other tools take for granted. Okay, you can see simple drag and drop builder, because if a tool is complicated, I don't think you would find it joyful or very easy trying to make use of that tool. But here on Brevo, you have a simple drag and drop builder. You see a guided set of flows to teach you, to walk you through everything you want to do to get the best out of it. And of course, it is beginner friendly. Now let's move over to the next thing I would like to talk about, which is the automation and features. What defines a tool is beyond how it looks, but what it can do, what it can offer, what it is helping you with. Now talking about Mailchimp, you can see Mailchimp has a decent automation, but many of its advanced features are locked behind high paying plans. So it means that you need to have money to be able to enjoy Mailchimp. Did you see how it works? You need money to enjoy all of Mailchimp advanced features. Now for Klaviyo, guys, you can see Klaviyo is extremely powerful for e-commerce. Like I said, if you're not doing e-commerce, I don't think Klaviyo is the best email marketing tool for you to use, because they have tons of triggers and flows, but everything is related to e-commerce, and all of those things that's to do with you selling something and all like that. But right here on Brevo is super cool. I mean, you get a full marketing automation processing, like emails, SMS, CRM workflows, and even WhatsApp, web pushes, and so many other things. And guess what? These are all available on the free plan. Plus, you have A/B testing and some other features that will just blow your mind off. But most importantly, you have access to using Brevo's high features even on the free plan. Very simple. All right, so now let's look at another feature of those email marketing tools. Now let's talk about their pricing plans, okay, because you need money to get to enjoy using a particular software. Now for Mailchimp, you can say the pricing is based on contacts, and it gets expensive really fast. So meaning that the higher contact you have on Mailchimp, the higher you have to pay. All right, if you have 1,000, the amount of 1,000 is going to be different from the amount of 10,000, and it works out well. But Klaviyo has the same problem. Okay, you have the free plan would allow you have access to only just 250 contact, and if you're going to be going higher than that, you have to pay money for it. Now with Brevo, look at this, guys. With Brevo, your build okay, based on email sent, not contacts. Now, what do I mean? You can have a million contacts. Now, instead of you being charged for having a million contacts, no, you're not being charged. Brevo would help you store up your 1 million contacts, but for every email you are sending, you are paying for every email that is being sent. So the amount of money you pay for sending 100 emails is different from the amount of money you would pay from sending 200, but you still have a million contacts. All right, but for the other two softwares I mentioned earlier, you pay based on contact. For Brevo, it is perfect if you have a big list but sends frequently. So their plans are generous, and the free plan includes automation, which other tools don't include at all. So to me, Brevo still wins right here. Mailchimp, who should use Klaviyo, and also who should use Brevo. Now for Mailchimp, if you're running a quick campaign and you already know your way around email marketing, in the sense of you've been doing this for a while, so I think Mailchimp is perfect for you. But for Klaviyo, if you have a Shopify store with tons of product flows and you need e-commerce data, I mean deep e-commerce data, then Klaviyo is the best for you. Now for 90% of users, so whether you're a course creator, you're an agency, you're a coach, or a freelancer, or a content creator like me, Brevo gives you best of the both worlds. I mean, powerful automation, affordable pricing, and beginner-friendly design. So you can see the whole difference right here. So if I were starting out from scratch or switching from another platform to the outpick Brevo. Why? Because it's built for growth, doesn't overwhelm beginners, and has everything you need without stacking up hidden costs. So whether you're selling 100 emails or scaling to 100K, Brevo has your back. So if you're ready to try using Brevo, you can check the link down in the description box below. Let me know in the comment section what tool you're currently using, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more to break down every single week. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Please take care and bye.